Good morning friends. Today it's 24th of Feb 2025 and the technical outlook and summary for this week is as follows. Last week Nifty 50 spot index ended at its lows sub crucial 22,800 levels. It is heading towards a fifth consecutive monthly negative closing as the index is down over 3% this month. Last week we have seen a mix global cues for our domestic market to discount. On one hand, US market tanked down in last session due to the weak PMI Fab data. Data released by S&P Global showed that the US business activity dropped to 17 months low in February. Meanwhile, manufacturing PMI rose to 51.2 to 51.6 in same period. The service PMI dropped from 52.9 in January to 49.7 in February, signaling a loss of momentum in service sector. US 5 years consumer inflation expectations rose to 3.5%, above the 3.3% consensus and previous reading. This led a sharp cut in US market, which ended last week at its lows down almost 2.5%. Dow has formed a cluster resistance at around mentioned strong price resistance of 45,000 in last 2 months, and sustaining below 43,000 levels, it can even test the lower supports of 42,000 and 40,000 in weeks to come. On positive side for our market, dollar index has slipped down to $106 levels and is open for lower lows in weeks to come, followed by US 10 years bond yield which is trading at 2 months lows. Crude oil WTI is also at around 70 levels, which is good. USD NR too has slipped down from the all-time highs of 88 to current 86.6 dollar. Thus, once FI is selling abate, Indian market can attempt to stabilize. For the coming week, Nifty 50 spot which 23,250 levels and Bank Nifty spot 50,000 levels remains crucial, trading below which the bias remains range to down. The indices need to sustain above these levels for any reversal attempts and short covering. On lower end, Nifty 50 index and Bank Nifty index has immediate support at around 22,500 and 48,000 levels. Derivative data remains negative. While mid cap and small cap index has witnessed some buying interest last week, and we are expecting that post dip the momentum and the buying interest once again can resume in small and mid cap in weeks to come. Overall, the indices remains in time and price consolidation with lower lows formation, and thus avoid leverage long bets unless until we find the reversal of this ongoing weakness and sentiments. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.